From socks on the floor to cans on the top shelf, this reacher tool does the work for you. Hey, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at AskSAMIE, and today I'm going to show you one of my very favorite tools that keeps you safe and independent. It's the reacher. Lots of people call it a grabber, and it helps you avoid bending, twisting, or overstretching so you can pick up items, get dressed, or reach safely without risking a fall. Okay, a reacher is one of the things we learn first about in school because it's like an old tool, but it's a goodie. It solves so many problems. So one of the main reasons that you use a reacher is after a hip or knee injury and you can't reach down to the floor because you have precautions from your surgery. And so a grabber can make everything a lot easier. You can reach down, pick things up without doing the bending that they ask you not to do after some of your orthopedic surgeries. There are a ton of different kinds of reachers though, and so you want to think about your use case as you decide which reacher you get. So this one, for example, is rotating head. So you can pull it out and you can turn it, and so depending on what you're picking up, this position might be great for getting cans off of the shelf and bringing them down, whereas you might want to have this position in order to pick things up from the floor or help with picking your shoes up and getting them to you. So there are different lengths. Shorter ones are really awesome if you're a wheelchair user because they can fit beside you a lot better than the longer ones. And a longer one is great if you're reaching up pretty high or you're a tall person and you need to be able to get low to the floor. So think about your use case, and if you need help with that, you can always ask the chat at AskSAMIE.com and Sammy will help guide you through it. A reacher grabber isn't just a convenience, it's actually protection for your back after surgery, helpful for your balance, and decreases falls. So visit AskSAMIE.com to explore OT approved reachers and get the right one for your needs.